If you're over 40 and tired of feeling constantly drained, your body is dealing with cellular decline. The fatigue, the muscle loss, the brain fog, it's not inevitable. For decades, the supplement industry has been lying to you. Stop wasting money on generic multivitamins. Today, I'm giving you the 3 supplements that are scientifically proven in U.S. labs to directly target the root causes of aging. We are starting the reversal process right now. Our first, and perhaps most crucial, supplement is NMN, nicotinamide mononucleotide, or its precursor, NAD. This is all about cellular energy. Here's the science. Every cell in your body runs on a coenzyme called NAD+. NAD+ is necessary for DNA repair and energy production. But when you hit 40, your NAD+ levels can drop by up to 50%. This crash is why you feel low energy and slow recovery. NMN is the key that unlocks NAD+ production. When you supplement with NMN, you are literally giving your cells the fuel to repair themselves. The dosage. Studies show optimal results with 500 to 1,000 milligrams daily, taken early in the morning for maximum energy benefit. Caution. Look for a third-party tested product, as the quality here matters significantly for absorption. Number 2 is the often overlooked amino acid, glycine. Why is this a powerful anti-aging tool? Because it's directly linked to 2 critical aging markers, collagen production and deep sleep quality. As we age, our natural collagen degrades, leading to wrinkles and stubborn joint pain. Glycine is essential for collagen synthesis. More importantly, glycine acts as an inhibitory neurotransmitter. It calms your brain, lowers your core body temperature, and significantly improves the quality of your deep sleep. Remember, you don't age when you're awake. You age when you don't recover. If you aren't getting consistent deep sleep, everything else fails. The dosage. Start with 3 to 5 grams taken about an hour before bed. It's safe, inexpensive, and non-habit forming. Our final essential compound is omega-3s, but we need to talk quality. Not all fish oil is created equal. Chronic inflammation is the secret driver behind almost all aging diseases, including heart disease and neurodegeneration. High-dose omega-3s, specifically the EPA and DHA components, are nature's strongest anti-inflammatories. They protect your heart, your brain health, and keep your arteries flexible. The quality check. Don't just look at the total fish oil amount. You must check the label for the combined EPA and DHA content. 4 anti-aging benefits. Aim for at least 2,000 milligrams of combined EPA or DHA daily. If the label doesn't specify, it's likely low quality and a waste of money. So, to summarize your foundational longevity protocol, NMN for cellular energy, glycine for sleep and joints, and high-dose omega-3s for inflammation control. These 3 compounds form the foundation of a proactive anti-aging strategy. But wait, your supplements won't work if your diet is actively sabotaging you. I've identified the 3 worst foods that are completely destroying your metabolism and testosterone levels after the age of 40. That information is crucial. Click the video here on your screen right now to watch that next. Let's stop aging together.